Hey y'all, so good morning. I'm just basically gonna take you guys throughout my day today, starting with cleaning and sanitizing the kitchen. It looks a hot tornado mess. So I'm basically just gonna show you guys the before, then the after, because I have and here is the after. She is nice and clean and ready to go. Slow cooker is still right here because I'm cooking dinner with it tonight, but as you can see, it's super clean. So this is the sink. I remember before how the sink was tore. Y'all, these things right here, I know I'm probably gonna have to pay for this if we ever move from here or something. I didn't know that this like bleeds out after you use it after once or twice. So now I keep it in this little bowl. It probably doesn't matter to a lot of people. Someone probably was wondering the same thing. So now I keep it in this bowl right here. I forgot I wanted to show you guys what I used to clean the countertops and the stove and stuff. This is what I use. That's it. These wipes and this Kitchen Pro antibacterial cleaner. So yeah, and I got them both from Walmart. They're inexpensive and yep. Alright, y'all. Decided to this is to the front door, this is to the garage. I need to go this way because y'all, I can't run down the stairs. I'm old, okay? I got bad knees. But I'm heading to the gym right now and we're gonna work this thing out. I tried to be active as much as I can. My bad, y'all. As much as I can. Alright, y'all, I'm here. So I usually get on the treadmill first, then I go downstairs and lift some weights on the machines. Alright, y'all, I just got back in the house. Lord, I look a hot mess. So I did my little workout. Well, not my little. I was in there for like 40 minutes. It felt great. Prepping. No, I need to make my smoothie because I haven't eaten yet. It's been about 12 hours now since I've eaten. So I'm about to make my fruit smoothie, which is my favorite part of the day. Bum, 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 bum. Then we're gonna prep dinner. All right, so I'm about to make my fruit smoothie. I have banana, strawberries, and mango, all fresh fruit. I washed them up, cut them up. I forgot to get orange juice, but I did have some oranges. This is a half orange I have left. I'm gonna squeeze that juice down in here. So hopefully it works. Yeah, and I can't go to the store right now, so I'm going to make it work. I'm using my Magic Bullet. I love mangoes in my smoothies. I know this doesn't have any vegetables in it, but I'm doing what's working for me. And that's just what it is. It's working for me, so that's why I'm doing it. But you guys know you can put whatever in your own smoothies on your own diets. But yeah. So I have banana, mango, strawberry. Let me open this. All right, so I'm gonna see if I can get at least a couple tablespoons. I have more oranges. I just didn't want to cut a whole one because the whole one is probably gonna be a bit too much for my smoothie. All right, so I went and got the orange. Did what I had to do. So you want to close this up. All right, and this is what it looks like. It smells so good. It's like the perfect balance of mango, banana, and strawberry. What I love about the Magic Bullet is I don't have to dirty any extra dishes. I just put this protector right on here. And I'm good to go. I drink it right out of this. And that's my smoothie. And that's going to probably hold me over until dinner time. On top of, I need to get my water intake in. So, yeah. Woo, my favorite thing ever. This also helps you with sugar craving if you like your sweets. So, yeah. All right, y'all. So, for dinner, it's going to be another 5-ingredient crock pot recipe. So, I have the chicken here that I already seasoned with Spicy Girl, my spice. But, of course, look at me. I'm already out of my own spice. But you can season your chicken however you prefer. You're going to need some barbecue sauce, which I'm using store-bought. I'm using this balsamic vinegar and some honey. I'm only showing you guys this barbecue sauce because these are 5-ingredient recipes, and you know, my barbecue sauces are not 5 ingredients, so yeah. So you get it, guys. So now we're gonna sear off just one side of the chicken, the skin side, just to get some color, and then we're gonna pop it all in the slow cooker. All right, look at me. Look. Oh, let me finish my. Y'all, that smoothie is just so good. Anyway, same bowl that I had my fruit. I rinsed it out. You want to add your barbecue sauce. You're pretty much going to probably add most of it, if not all of it. When I get store-bought sauces, I never use them directly out of the bottle. What I'm doing is completely optional. And then you want to add your honey. This is just me. This is just what I do. I like my food to taste good. It's also going in a slow cooker, and I can't do anything once it's in there. Same spice I put on the chicken, same spice I put down in here. Whatever you put on your chicken, put it in your sauce. Mix this up, and now I'm going to sear off the chicken. All right, so I know I said that it was 5 ingredients, but I had an extra pepper laying around, and I wanted to add it down in here. It's totally optional. You can use whatever color pepper. Next, you want to just take your barbecue sauce and add it all down in there. It looks so good. And you remember, you don't need a lot of sauce. You don't need any liquid because the chicken is going to make its own juice, and you don't want your gravy or your sauce or your glaze to be too watery. Next, you want to turn your slow cooker on high for 4 hours, and yeah. Wrap up this video. We're basically gonna have this chicken with this whole grain tabbouleh salad. It's like bulgur salad. I mean bulgur grains, I'm sorry. So yeah, this is pretty much it with some simple salad and some juice, and that's it for dinner tonight. Again, you guys can eat this with rice, pasta, whatever you love your chicken with. Handle your business. But yeah, I'm gonna wrap this video up. Follow me on social media if you want to see pictures or updates. Misha's Corner on all platforms. And I'll catch you guys on the next video. Bye.